Hey, what are you doing? We're on event. What are you doing? What are you doing? We have a event here. Patulong nga ako, HP. Sino nasa HP? Paabangan nga tong pulis na to. Huli ako. Wala na, papunta sa simbahan. Inuhuli ako, nakabaril kasi ako sa HP. Sayop na to. Policeman here is noob. Waiting outside of HP. Oh my goodness. This is NRP, my friend. To complete your mission, you're staying at the HP. Oh my goodness. I have do I doing something. That's why I can't read your chat. Supposed to be you need to speak me, not to chat me. We have your event. You're staying at outside of HP. You're waiting for people. You're supposed to be voice message, not not chatting. I do event army, you know. You're supposed to be talk with me on voice, not chatting, because I do something on my mind. I even know I don't even see your chat.
Yo, Sir Johan is down. Yeah, I already gave him.
For the mission, oh my goodness, you're so NRP.
Kupal.
For the mission, you do this.
Oh my God,
Oh,
kupal.
kupal to eh. Go ahead, take your time. NRP player.